Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Hokes Bluff local and long-distance movers near me. Hiring the best cheap Hokes Bluff moving company should be simple. It's easier when you choose 3 Movers. Hiring us means you have a professional team ready to make your local or long-distance move simple. Our team has helped many people move, including students, homeowners, renters, veterans, and even business owners. If you hire us for your long-distance move, you gain access to the following: packing services. We can do the packing for you and even do the unpacking at your new location. Moving supplies. Get the high-quality moving supplies you need from us. An on-time move. Our movers show up on schedule, ready to get to work when moving day rolls around. Upfront pricing. An estimate from us gives you the price you need to set an accurate moving budget. Licensed and insured. Our team of movers will make sure all your belongings are fully protected throughout the process. Relocating to a new state isn't easy. It takes a toll on you physically and emotionally. We might not be able to make the emotional part easier, but we can help with the physical work. Our team can make sure you don't have to do any heavy lifting when you move. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Hokes Bluff moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.